Okay, so see here, product of two vectors. So up to this we have learned some basics about the vectors. Okay, so what is the external division, internal division, how to find the direction questions, how to find the direction ratios, everything we have learned. How to add two vectors, how to subtract two vectors we have learned. Now we will study how to take the product of two vectors. In other words, how to multiply two vectors. There are majorly two methods of multiplying the vectors, students. We have two methods. Okay, one is called dot product, one is called cross product, or it is called scalar product, it is called vector product. It is a dot b, vector a dot b, it is vector a cross b. So it is a scalar product, means we will get one number, scalar answer, always we will get one number, scalar. It is a vector product, means we will get here answer always one vector. So product of two vectors may be scalar, may be vector. There are two types are there. So first one, what we will study, dot product or scalar product we will study. Then after this we will go for the cross product. So dot product or scalar product of vectors. Dot product or scalar product of the vectors. So see all of you, what is this a dot product, how it is defined. You can observe, I will consider here two vectors. This is vector A and this is vector B. So dot product of these two vectors is denoted by A dot B, which is defined as magnitude of A, magnitude of B, then cos of angle between these, that is cos of theta. This is the actual definition of dot product of two vectors. A dot B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta. So here one condition is there for theta. Theta value lies between 0 to pi. Theta value lies between 0 to 180. You may ask, sir, why condition is for theta? If it is more than 180 degree, what happens? You may ask the question. Yes, I will tell that. Before that, see here. Actually, dot product means what we are doing, students. I will tell, see here. Vector A is in this direction. Vector B is in this direction. I want product of these two vectors in this direction. Try to understand. A to ऐसा direction में है, B to A direction में है. I want product of these two vectors in the direction of A. That is actually dot product. Okay. What is geometrical meaning? Later we will see. I will tell. Just some points are there. After that we will discuss what is geometrically dot product tells. So the thing is, sir, why theta value lies between 0 to pi? Students, you can observe one thing. Suppose two lines are there intersecting, we can find this is also theta, this is also theta. But when two vectors are there, it is not x-axis, it is not y-axis, these two are the vectors. Between any two vectors, there is only one angle is there. Between two vectors, there is only one angle is there. For example, this is vector A, this is another vector B. So if you want to consider the theta, this is not our theta, this is also not our theta. We will extend this one. We will extend this one. Actually direction is this side, no? Direction is this side. So how to calculate angle means, after intersection कितना दूर तक डायरेक्शन जा रहा है देखो. They are intersecting here. After this direction here going this side, direction going this side. So this is our theta. I hope it is clear. This is not our theta. There is no clockwise direction, there is no anti-clockwise direction in this vector. If x-axis, y-axis there, then anti-clockwise, clockwise, everything will come. Clear, no? So if you consider, I'll explain. See everything properly. See here, very important concept. Very important concept. Another one. Suppose this is vector A, this is vector B. देखो ध्यान से देखो. After intersecting, see, दूर तक जाना चाहिए direction. It is going for. This is also going for. Now we will not extend this line here. Why here I extended the line? Because direction is like this. After intersecting, I want direction दूर तक चाहिए. Then I have considered this is the angle between this. So here what happens? Don't consider angle between these students. This is not our angle. Smallest angle between these two. What is the smallest angle? Theta. That is why theta value lies between 0 to 180 degree. पता होगा या? See here, I will explain everything. So it is like this 90 degree. It is 180 degree. Up to this you will get. For example, this one, it is not more than 180. No, because these two are the vectors. We will calculate a smaller angle only. So it is below 180 only. No, if you calculate like this. So that is why we will assume theta value is always lies between 0 to pi. I hope it is clear. This is the important concept, student. Why theta lies between 0 to pi? They will not ask, but this is the reason. Between any two vectors, only one angle is there. Clear हो गया? बात समझ में आ गए सभी लोगों के लिए? So now we will see some of the properties based on this. Then we will go for the geometrical meaning or geometrical interpretation. So dot product is nothing but A dot P is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos of that. Property number 1. A dot B is always scalar. Scalar means after calculating the dot product, always you will get a number. Scalar means you will get a number. That is the first property. So second property, see here students, either vector A is 0 or vector B is 0, then what happens to A dot B? Either vector A is 0, B is 0, then A dot B what you will get? It is 0 means magnitude 0, no? 0 into anything you will get 0, no? In this case, what is the value of theta? In this case, what is the value of theta? In this case, theta is not defined. Theta is not defined. Yes or no? Because we don't know theta. Either this is equal to 0, this is equal to answer only we are getting 0. So theta is not defined only. Yes. Point number 3. A dot B is equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B. In this case, theta का वैल्यू क्या होता है? ध्यान से देखो. A dot B is equals to I want magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Means I want cos theta is equals to 1 here. When cos theta is equals to 1, theta is equals to 0. I hope it is clear. If theta is equals to 0, then A dot B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B. In this particular, we can say magnitude of A is equals to magnitude of A square. In this case also, theta is equals to 0. Remember this important thing, students. Magnitude of A into magnitude of, A dot A is nothing but magnitude of A cos of theta. So A dot A means what is the angle between same vectors? This is A vector. With same vector we are considering, means what is the angle? 0. So theta is 0. Point number 4. A dot minus A is equals to minus of magnitude of A square. In this case, theta value is how much? ध्यान से देखो. A dot minus, so minus is outside, magnitude of A square means we want A dot A is equals to magnitude of A. I want here minus sign, no? Minus of magnitude A square is there, no? So when cos is minus, theta is equals to pi. So this you will get negative sign. Hope you are getting my points. Why here negative sign will come. Clear, all of you, or any doubt here? So these are the first four properties. Try to understand these four properties properly. So magnitude of A dot B is equals to, A dot B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B. In this case, theta is 0. Okay. So here A dot A is equals to magnitude of A square. Theta is 0. So here theta is pi because we want negative. Okay. If A and B are any two non-zero vectors, if A and B are any two non-zero vector such that A dot B is equals to 0, if and only if A is perpendicular to B. Most important result. If dot product is 0, then 100% A and B are perpendicular to each other. A and B are non-zero vectors such that their dot product is 0 when it is possible if and only if. What is the meaning of if and only if? If dot product is 0, A and B are perpendicular. If A and B are perpendicular, then dot product is 0. You may ask, how sir it is possible? Noಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. We know that A dot B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta. What is the condition? A dot B is equals to 0. When A dot B is equals to 0, either A is equal to 0 or B is equals to 0 or cos theta is equals to 0. But they have given condition A and B are not equals to 0. So magnitude of A is not equal to 0. Magnitude of B is not equals to 0. ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಉಳಿತು? only cos theta is equals to 0. ಯಾವಾಗ cos 0 ಆಗ್ತದ? That is 90 degree. Yes or no? So remember most important result. Two vectors dot product is 0, 100% they are perpendicular. If they are perpendicular, their dot product is equals to 0. Is it clear this property? All of you? Next, sixth one. The mutually perpendicular vectors I, j, k, these are the vectors. No? So we have I dot I is equals to j dot j is equals to k dot k is equals to what? I dot I. Substitute here I dot I. What you will get? Magnitude of I, magnitude of I, cos of, what is angle between I and I? 0. So magnitude of I is how much? 1. Magnitude of I is how much? 1 because unit vectors. So 1, 1, cos 0 is how much? So remember these value is always equals to 1. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is always equals to 1. Is it clear why equals to 1? You can apply this one. I dot I, so you will get 1. So another important information here. What is I dot j? What is j dot k? What is k dot I? What this value? Students, see here. I dot j means I and j are perpendicular to each other. I and j are perpendicular to each other. Then magnitude of I, magnitude of j, cos of theta. Magnitude of I is 1. Magnitude of j is 1. What is the angle between them? Cos 90. 0 into 1. So this value is 0. I with itself, j with itself, k with itself, always unique. 1. I with another, j with another, k with another, always big 0. Always big 0. Point number 7. A dot B is always equals to B dot A. Means dot product is commutative. Dot product is what? Commutative. Commutative property satisfy होता है dot product में. Okay. So point number 8. Point number 8. A and B are any two non-zero vectors, or A and B are any two vectors then I want angle between these two vectors. From this, what is angle between two vectors? Cos theta is equals to A dot B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. A dot B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. That is angle between two vectors. समझ में आ गया सभी लोगों के लिए? So another point, see here, point number 9. Suppose vector A is A1I plus B1J plus C1K. Vector B is A2I plus B2J plus C2K. If you want to calculate a dot product of two vectors A1I B1J plus C1K, okay, we can write like this, or better standard notation, A1 A2 A3, B means B1 B2 B3. So dot product of these two, remember, very important, multiply this A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So this is the required dot product. Whenever two vectors are given, no, if you want to find a dot product, A1 B1 corresponding component plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3, because I dot I, what you will get? 1 into geometrical interpretation. We will see what is the geometrically it dot product says. I will consider this as a vector A. I will consider this as a vector B. So I will consider this one is OA. I will consider this one is OB. What we have discussed, A is in this direction, B is in this direction. We want a product of A and B in this direction. So first what we will do, students, इसका direction इधर है ना, so I will draw one perpendicular here. I will draw one perpendicular. So from this perpendicular, for example, if I put on torch here, you will get its projection, no, here. So इसका image इधर पड़ता है ना? Yes or no? What you say projection? It is इसका projection इधर पड़ता है ना? और shadow प्रतिबिंब ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದರ ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ. So shadow we can say. So projection of this B on A, it will come, no? Yes or no? So see here, vector OA मतलब क्या है? A. OB मतलब क्या है? B. What is the angle between AOB? Angle AOB is theta. I will consider one perpendicular here. I will say it is M. I will say it is M. We have seen the definition of the dot product. What? A dot B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos of theta. Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos of theta. Means इसका magnitude, cos of. So see students, geometrically ಏನು ಹೇಳತ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, I have drawn perpendicular from this. So now what is the cos theta, students? From this, what is cos theta? So cos तो OM divided by B होता है ना, OM divided by OB. That is nothing but cos theta is equals to OM is unknown, right, as it is. OB का value B, means it is nothing but magnitude of B, distance. So cross multiply किया तो क्या आता है? B cos theta is equals to OM. B cos theta is what? OM. So इसका क्या हो गया OM का? B cos theta. That only, students, geometrically A dot B means what? In this direction only we are calculating, no? So magnitude of A, then this OM, that product we will take now. That is actually geometrical meaning of A dot B. समझ में आ रहा है ना? A dot B का geometrical meaning क्या होता है? It is nothing but we'll take projection. इसका projection इधर आता है. So this value क्या होता है, b cos theta into this a. If you multiply in this direction, you will get a dot b, or b is equals to cos theta. See here, a dot b is equals to this a as it is. This का value क्या है, OM. OM means what, students? OM is nothing but projection of b on a. So a dot b is equals to a into what, projection of b on a, projection of b on a. So if I want projection of b on a, what is the formula, my dear students? Projection of vector b on vector a, if I want, what is the formula? A dot b divided by magnitude of a. A dot b divided by magnitude of a. This is the another formula we have derived. Projection of b on a is equals to a dot b divided by a, or we can say b dot a divided by a, no problem. Similarly, projection of a on b is what? Projection of a on b is equals to a dot b divided by b. A dot b divided by b, because projection of b on a means divided by this का magnitude हो रहा है. So projection of a on which is there, that will come नीचे. So this is the another formula to find projection of a on b. So remember this formula, students. Based on this, they will ask 2 mark wala questions. Projection of a on b is equals to a dot b divided by magnitude of b. Is it clear now? Geometrical meaning क्या होता है? Product is nothing but this magnitude of OA. This b cos theta. B cos theta is nothing but this component of the b. Component of the b, or projection of this one b cos theta into